Welcome to the World Cup! We are celebrating in Mexico for the third time the World Cup. Azteca Stadium makes history today. The only stadium in the world to host the tournament 3 times. Now, first time, 1970, legendary World Cup. Pelé, Rivellino, Tostao, legendary game, legendary team. In 86, we had the amazing Argentina team. You know, Maradona, Burruchaga, Ruggeri, all that enormous team. They had, you know, the goal in the century was done at Azteca Stadium in 86. I was there. And this year, we're gonna make history again in Azteca.
Bir tarafta konuşma değil, istatistik 2-1 kazanmıştı.
Dünya Kupası'nın ilkleri. Juan Figueres. Meksika 1, Güney Afrika 0.
Taraftarı büyük mutluluk. Meksika 23 Adam Skovic spor 2018-2022 kaçırdı.